That has an interesting look to it. Whoa.
I think it was $450.
$450,000.
Yeah.
Man, that's a lot of cash.
Check this out.
It's got a lot of challenges. It's kind of funny because it's got either like huge pluses or huge minuses.
Yeah. The plus is the shoreline and the views. Those are incredible.
All right, we want to put in an offer on this thing? Well, today Dave and I are looking at an interesting property for a potential house flip. This one is a lakefront property, and let's see, it's right down this way. Property is at the end of the street on a little private road, which is kind of neat, and it's right on the lake. Now this property is pretty big. It's 6,000 square feet. There's Dave. Hey.
Hey.
That has an interesting look to it. Whoa. That is definitely unique looking. And it's on, looks like a peninsula. So there's water over here. Well, there's water on three sides of it, it looks like. Because the big lake is right out that way. Pretty cool. All right, well, so here is the lake house. What do you think?
I think it's a winner. Go look and see. Look at the piles of debris everywhere.
Yes. Doesn't seem like it's been that well taken care of.
Not very kept up. What's the caution tape? What's this?
Well, that's never a good sign. Is anybody dead over there?
No, someone left their trampoline.
Okay.
Let's flip that trampoline.
Okay, we'll do it. Looks like it's got a pretty big deck.
It's a little soft.
This is a really big deck. I wonder how secure those are.
Okay, I'll climb.
That roof looks a little questionable.
Yeah, the roof looks like 100 years old. It's only what? 35?
A shake roof. There's a lot of water around here, though.
Check this out.
Okay. Here's how to not sell a house.
Went right through the railing.
Huh.
Look at that.
Well, that's different. If I was going to sell this house, I might look into getting a chainsaw and perhaps moving this off of here.
Yeah. You see this? It's like crooked.
With the whole stairwell?
Yeah. It's like that is kind of leaning, and maybe there's some of that's intentional, but the stairs shouldn't be leaning.
Yeah, I would say not.
Wow, this does feel unsafe.
Looks like the roof's quite beat up there.
Yeah, it looks old, or maybe uncared for. The house looks way better the further away you get.
Yeah, that is pretty neat.
It's growing on me.
That looks like a haunted mansion to me. It must be the trees, because they're kind of like gnarly trees and the style of the house.
Yeah.
How much, lakefront do you think there is here? There's water on three sides of this house?
That's 120 feet right there.
Jeez, and the property extends all the way around that back.
I'll bet you it's 400 feet.
Wow. And now here we go. Look at that house.
Look at that. Is it crazy?
It needs some repair work, but kind of cool.
Yeah, I'd say.
I wonder what the inside's going to be, because the outside's got a few issues. Whoa! Man, it's kind of interesting.
The stair was beautiful, except for the color of the wood.
Yeah, it's a little bit dated. Yeah. I like the ceiling though.
Yeah, it's beautiful. All beige. Look at the size of that fireplace.
That is a massive fireplace.
Oh wow, it's 4 or 5 feet thick. Man, it takes up a big chunk of the room. Parquet floor tile. That's worse. Shelving and cabinets and more fireplace.
What's kind of weird to me is it's such a small space.
It is.
And then
look at this. I can. So it's 7, 8 feet across, 9 feet across.
But it's got this giant fireplace in it. And why do you need this fireplace if you've got the other side of it?
Hello. Look at that.
Well, it's like somebody was into fire, evidently.
Yeah. Check this out.
Well, it's kind of neat because you can see out into the lake from whatever this little library room is. And
this one here.
Oh yeah, I could see having some hors d'oeuvres.
Oh, down the hill even.
Little cocktail party and everybody's kind of looking out.
Oh, this is kind of a dead end, I guess. It's just
okay.
Living room den.
Huh, well that's strange.
Sunken floor, wet bar.
Let's see what's going on over here. I don't know what this room is.
This is another...
Is it a dungeon?
Yeah, really. This is odd. These are rough-hewn I think they're real. I don't know. They look like they're not cut. They're actually, oh, I wonder if they're from a barn. I'll bet you they are. Check it out.
Okay, what's happening over here?
Look at that.
Is it another fireplace?
In front of the window. Massive.
Why would you put yet another fireplace first off, and then why would you put it in front of this beautiful bay window?
This is the odd room of the house, I'd say, so far. This is an interesting floor.
And I think you might have to go.
Electric cooktop. Oh wow, I haven't seen that for a little plastic grid thing.
And you see that lake from almost every part of this house.
Yeah, so far.
Wow, that's nice.
It's like, where were we counted 120 feet over there? That's almost not in view, that first 120 feet. And then you got all this.
Talk about a lakefront property.
Yeah,
Goodness.
that's crazy.
So then what's this over here, like a breakfast nook or something?
More sunken. That's so strange. That's an 80s thing.
Okay, so now that little room is on the other side of that wall, right?
It's raised up off of the living room. The living room's sunk down twice. This is sunk down once. So this floor is the same as the floor on the other side of this wall.
Okay.
Which would be great if this wasn't here.
Oh yeah, I think we could
Or maybe this.
We could make that happen.
For all the things that the house lacks, the views are tremendous. Oh, wooden bathroom, wooden toilet seat, wooden tank, plywood top. That's
What is this, on a boat?
That's hilarious.
Somebody needs
Everything's wooden in here.
Oh, okay. And here's the pantry. I mean, it's
that's
pretty cool. It's
Yeah.
nice and big.
Yeah, and that kitchen needs it because there's not much cabinets in there.
Okay. Ooh, what's going on out here? This garage looks like it's got a little bit of trouble.
Yeah.
There's a lot of cracks and, man.
Wow.
Those doors look like, because this house is from 1980,
look at this.
but those doors look so old.
What in the world? That's a pretty big crack. Oh, look at this.
What's in here?
This little workbench. That's cool. I like that.
Yeah. You pot some plants in there.
Slick. Yeah, seriously.
I think there's more fireplaces down here.
This one's bigger than the last. Look at that.
Man,
Is
that's
it see-through?
crazy. Yes, it's another see-through fireplace. Wait, so there's like 5 fireplaces?
1, 2, 3, 4.
And the one up there?
The one in the dining room.
The thing that's a little bit annoying down here is this fireplace. Like,
Yeah,
I would want
it's
to.
like a third or quarter of the room.
I want to put a pool table down here if it was my house,
Gonna work.
but it's gonna be hard to play pool with that sitting there.
Maybe a foosball table.
Yeah, I guess. And you got a little
Kitchenette?
kitchenette. Do those lights come on over there? Don't have very many lights working in this house.
No, I would say almost no lights work.
Well, I like this stairwell. It's pretty dramatic. And I like the chime. Oh, this is strange up here. Look, okay, if these are bedrooms, you have to go through this one guy's bedroom to get to the other guy's bedroom.
What?
Yeah, I don't know if I've ever seen that before.
Well, that's weird.
Yeah, that's pretty strange. Okay, so
Let's go see it. More views.
this is a huge bedroom here.
It is huge.
More nice, great
Yeah, the views.
lake views.
The tree's massive.
But what's the deal with this walkthrough here? It's like, hello.
This bedroom.
We're going hello to this person that's sleeping in their bed. Hope I didn't wake you. I'm just going off to this bedroom.
Huge.
This could be like the master bedroom, I think. This is huge.
It is huge. Yeah.
But there's no bathroom down this way,
It
right?
comes with a free map. Well, map roller, it says.
A free map roller. Okay. That could come in handy.
Ah, that's nice cabinetry over there. Wow, all of these.
Now, if you had teenagers in here, though, you know they're scooting down this deck at night.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's at your feet. Look at all the glass. So that's beautiful. This bathroom is one sink. Probably is that a 4-footer? Whoa, that toilet's nasty looking. That's a chintzy shower thing. Let's go.
Okay.
What's this bedroom here? I like the wood.
I like the ceilings. Cool. Another nice,
smallish closet.
nice big room, though.
It is. This is a great
With
room.
hardwood floor.
This has got stellar views. Master, this is, look at that, check this view out. Beautiful.
Oh, that's cool. This guy's out here on his boat.
Doing a little fishing.
Hey, that could be us.
It could be, if only we had a boat.
And buy this house. Let's see, this master bedroom is really a good size.
It's 19 feet.
Oh man, I like the idea of just waking up and looking right out at the lake.
Okay.
Okay, what is up here?
Black tub, 1990s, 1980s.
Wow.
Oh, look at the sinks. That's crazy. Rock sinks. I've never seen that.
Wow, that's different.
Water.
What is going on right here?
Wow, that's bad.
Hey, check out the speakers, man.
Woo! Toilet's in its own room with the shower.
Okay.
The shower's pretty brassy. The lights work in here.
Complete redo.
Check out the black corner seat in the shower.
You think that might need some updating?
Yeah, with a sledgehammer.
This is odd here.
What is this?
Looks like this painting is like painted. It's not in a frame.
Oh, it's in the wall.
It's in the wall, yeah. And then another really good shot of the lake here. It's a kind of an odd spiral staircase.
It is odd.
Like, how are we going to get a pool table up there?
Yeah, piece by piece. This is a weird room.
Because it can't be a bedroom.
I guess it could be a bedroom because it's got a closet. So I bet it's listed as a bedroom.
But if this is the bedroom, then everybody going to the upstairs level is like
Has to come through your bedroom.
comes through this
So
bedroom.
you go through that bedroom or you go through this bedroom?
Okay.
That's weird. This is bizarre.
Okay, it's like a lighthouse.
This is huge. 11 windows.
Wow.
I guess this is a converted attic.
Okay. Oh, I like this room.
Yeah, this is huge.
Man, it's got some nice
Built-in
light.
benches. Yeah, this is just views everywhere.
Oh, look at that window.
Lake on both sides.
Man, okay, I think this might be the money shot in this house.
Wow. So what do you think?
This one's 6,000 square feet.
Yeah, well, that was 2,700.
That is just such a huge project to undertake. But I have to say, I really like it. I mean, you know, it's weird to me. This thing's been on the market at least a half a year, maybe a bit longer than that. As I was looking at comps, it looks to me like this thing is like hundreds of thousands of dollars less than
what it should be.
Than what it should be.
Yeah.
I mean, if somebody fixed it up.
But you know, it's got a shake shingle roof. That would probably have to come off.
Well, then you got the weird fireplace. I mean, so
Yeah.
there's 5 fireplaces, of which 4 of them are in that one massive column, and it's in 4 different rooms, taking up a lot
A quarter of that, yeah.
of that
A quarter of the
6,000
first
square
floor.
feet.
Well, open concept stuff, I think, would say get rid of the fireplace. If you're at a lake house, I think it'd be fun to be around, have a common room that everybody's in.
Well, this room's pretty big.
It is.
Up here,
Yeah.
but you couldn't fit like 20 people in it.
You need stairs to come, other than those stupid spiral staircases. You have to address that somehow.
So you're talking about actually taking the whole spiral staircase out? It's got a lot of challenges. It's kind of funny because it's got either like huge pluses or huge minuses.
Yeah, the plus is the shoreline and the views. Those are incredible.
It's just
Yeah,
huge.
you imagine
There's so many windows.
Utility bills on this one.
Yeah. Well, that's why we'd flip it.
Yeah. Flip it, somebody else's nickel.
But we could enjoy it for the summer, you know?
Oh yeah,
We'd have to buy a boat and maybe we'd go cruising around.
I think it was $450.
$450,000.
Yeah.
Man, that's a lot of cash. I don't know if I'd give them a full offer. Weren't you saying something like they only accept a full offer?
That's what the sheet said.
You know, I don't know if I would do that. I mean, and my main reason is every time we get into a project, we find some crazy thing that we didn't think of, you know, and I don't think we leave ourselves enough contingency quite often, and then we're just scrambling. How are we gonna make this budget? I mean, heck, I'd like to offer them like 400. What do you think of that?
December 28th is the last price reduction, and that put it at $450. And so for the past 3 months plus, it's been at $450.
Well, it seems like it's
So-
ready to drop again to me.
But they moved 3 times and then stopped all of a sudden. So they either stopped because it's winter, or they stopped because that's as far as they're going.
Okay.
But,
Well, they didn't sell it, so I think they're gonna keep
yeah,
going.
yeah. The worst they could say is no, I guess. It's a question of how bad do you want it. Just do the 430, and if we don't get it, we don't get it, and if they say yes, well then we're clicking our heels.
Yeah, because then we're 20 ahead of where we were, and we can get the dock and the boat. It'd be like a free dock and a free boat.
The tax assessment said the land value is $230.
Wow. And then we're only offering $430. A 6,000 square foot house is only worth $200,000, basically.
That's what we're offering. If you stick to the 430, yeah.
Wow. That's
So
funny.
that's why that's a pretty steep discount.
All right, well, you want to put in an offer on this thing?
450 or 430?
I'm not going to do 450 just because I want to give them a chance to say no. So I think 430 would be what I would offer. 430, and if they say no, we'll see. Okay.
Okay.
That seems good.
Deal. Let's see what they say.
Well, Rich's dogs decided to visit. And the big white dog is Henry. And he wanted to check out the lake house. And then the little black dog, his name is Hector. And he decided to look at the lake house as well. What do you guys think, eh? You think we ought to buy this one? You gonna go look? Come on, let's go. Don't hang out in the bathroom. You guys are in this unusual master bathroom. There's your lake view, guys. What do you think? You want to look downstairs? I'm going to look down there. This is another level. Look at all these crazy fireplaces. I see you. Hi. All right, so we got a couple of new inspectors today. These are actually our parents for Dave and Rich, and there's Mom and Dad. Hello. And our mom is wearing that brace because she had a bit of a fall and she broke her neck in 4 places. But that's not stopping her from coming to check out the lake house.
You bet.
Okay.
There, she made it.
Same one.
All right, now she can inspect.
Okay, hey, hey.
The inspection is over. What do you guys think?
Got a lot of work to do.
Awfully big house. Beautiful.
Yay. Well, so you're back at the lake house, so what's the word?
Word is it's ours.
Woohoo!
It's all officially sold on the MLS. So today is button her up tight, make it all secure. Tomorrow, demo day.
All right.
Right now we're waiting on our architect dude to show up and give us some ideas.
All right.
So we'll see.
So we have a lake house.
Yes, we do. And it is a pile of work.
Well, at least we got a good view.
Yeah, definitely. Look at that.
It took us over 2 years to renovate this 6,000 square foot lake house because we did almost all of the work ourselves. Here is a sneak preview of how the exterior turned out. We will soon post a video of the final reveal. When that's available, we'll put a link right here. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do, because we have a ton of home improvement videos on the way. Thanks much for viewing, and we'll see you in this next video.